To the vlog. So it is currently 11:09 right now, and the pilot meetup tonight doesn't start until 6, and as of right now it's pretty nice out. So I've got a drone right here, a soldering iron here, and a flight controller here. I made an Instagram post about this guy, this FetTech flight controller. Having some issues getting the TBS Crossfire telemetry to talk between this and my Jumper T16, so I think I might have a workaround solution for that on this guy. If it works, I will let you know, and if it does work, I'll also show you kind of like how you did it. I am going to do a full review of this and the FetTech 45 amp ESC that is in this guy. Currently I have a KISS flight controller version 1 hooked up in there, but I really want to run D-Shot 2400 on this guy and have an F7 flight controller, and hopefully get rid of the bobbing up and down this thing does. Like when I hit full throttle, at least on with this flight controller and on the CL Racing F7 that I've also run on this exact same setup, it will the nose will jump up and down, and I know the solution to fix that is to run really high eye gains, but I kind of don't want to do that because then the quad will become really stiff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this in there, take Vic FPV's PIDs that are on his Apex, put it on this guy and use that as a starting point, put in my own rates. Then we're going to go out and fly and see how it goes. So yeah, we're going to do a little bit of freestyle today, a little bit of testing today, and then we'll go to the kind of the pilot meet and greet later on this evening. So let me just do some quick explaining kind of what's been going down today. The FetTech FC, I think I'm just kind of done fiddling with it. I think I got a dud. It's just really, really inconsistent. Like when I would, so like earlier today it was working fine, but the quad felt very, very, very stiff. Like I was running my eyes way too high. So I went back home, got the little USB cable that I use to hook my phone up to my quad so I can change a bunch of settings and stuff. And I have an app, I think it's called like PID Tuner or something. And it actually worked with that app. Thought everything was good, went back out to the spot, plug in the battery, flip the arm switch, and nothing happens. So I said, you know what, forget it. I took that out, put the KISS V1 flight controller that I had been flying back in there, and kind of put in some PID settings that I thought would work. It felt really good. It is now 5 o'clock. It is time for the pilot meet and greet to start. So I'm gonna head over to Sean's house, and I'll see you guys there. That is the sound of quads.
Somebody. I'll hold it.
And then guest star, yeah, we're like 2 mil away. So it'll be
Alright, we are currently looking for a DRL Racer 4 that has gotten lost in the woods.
Got him!
Oh, we got it! We found it! John found it. So I'm back in my hotel room. I had a really great day today. Thank you, Sean, for opening up your home to us, for us just to for the pilot meet and greet. It was a lot of fun. One thing that happened, another technical thing that happened towards the end of the day, I crashed both of my tiny trainers, and I kept on getting this weird like gray screen, and then I get a message from RunCam. What ended up happening was a power wire broke going from the flight controller to the VTX. Then the second quad, a ground wire broke to the same thing, and I power my cameras from the VTX, so that's why I was getting that little error message. So I guess the moral of the story is, make sure you check all your connections, because you don't want them to fail in the middle of a race. So anyway, got that situation sorted. Hopefully I don't have any technical issues tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see how tomorrow goes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all later. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.